Beans, chickpeas, split peas, and lentils are packed with nutrients and play a role in the prevention of chronic disease. But most can't be eaten raw. Boiling is the most common cooking method, which is used to make canned beans. But sprouting is becoming more popular, which is healthier. A group of Russian scientists recently published a database of the antioxidant content of more than 1,000 foods, including, for the first time, an impressive array of before and after shots of what happens to seeds when you sprout them. As you can see, the antioxidant content goes up across the board. So sprouted lentils, for example, had twice the antioxidant content as unsprouted. Chickpeas, 5 times more. Wheat and rye, 10 times more. And amaranth started out as the piddly underdog, but went up 20-fold.
Hello and welcome to Neha's Cookhouse. Today we are going to learn how to make sprouts. Sprouted lentil and grams are abundant source of proteins and specifically important for vegetarians and vegans who lack protein in their diet. They are good source of dietary fiber and multiple vitamins, and the best superfood you can have at home. So let's start making sprouts. For this I have half cup green lentils and half cup grams. Now first wash lentils and grams thoroughly in water. I have washed them 2-3 times just to make sure they are cleaned properly. Also make sure to remove any unwanted impurity like hard stones. Now completely fill lentils container with water. I usually use at least 3 times water. Do the same with grams. Now let them soak for 6 to 8 hours. Now it's been 8 hours and you can see their size has increased a little. Now drain all water and again wash them properly. If you want, you can also use a colander to drain water. It's little bit easier this way. Similarly, wash and drain all waters from grams. Once we have drained all water, let's see how to grow sprouts. I will show you 3 ways. Just put the lentils in a bowl and cover it with a lid, but don't close it too tightly. Just leave some space for air to pass through bowl. The second way is to take a damp and clean cotton napkin or kitchen towel. Now put all grams in it and make a knot like this. Or you can use a rubber band to close it. Now leave it like this in a bowl. Now the third way is to take a damp and clean kitchen towel or napkin and cover the bowl with it like this, or use a rubber band to close it. Now after 12 hours, let's check them. You can see little sprouts have sprung up in lentils. The most important thing to grow perfect sprouts is to place bowl in a warm place for 12 to 14 hours, because the sprouts grow in humid environment. Now let's open gram inside kitchen towel. You can notice they too have got little sprouts. In cold places, it can take even more than 24 hours to grow sprouts of this much size. Second thing is to keep sprinkling some water over them to keep them wet, but don't mix or disturb them. Now transfer them again in a bowl and wash them properly. And again cover them and place in warm area as we did earlier. We wash them again in fresh water to avoid any bacteria growth. It will take at least 24 more hours to sprout them fully. Just make sure to keep washing and draining them every 12 hours. Similarly, wash and drain all waters from grams. After 24 hours, let's check them again. You can see lentils have sprouted so well. Now let's open grams. They have also sprouted very well. So now they are ready. In total, it took around 2.5 days to sprout fully like this.